Alrighty, everybody. Just gonna give you a little quick sneak peek on what I'm doing here. Yeah, I'm actually at work before hours, and just kind of give everybody an idea what I do. I can't turn it around. I work at an airport. Okay. I work at an airport, and I'm brought my model here to paint it because my garage is not so warm. I don't have a heated garage, so it's kind of hard to paint these parts at home. So I decided to bring them into work and kind of give you guys a little sneak peek on what I'm doing here. Okay, there we go on that one. I got the heater going. I got that going now, and it's just about dry to where I can put another coat of primer on it. So what I'm gonna do now is just kind of give it a nice quick nice even coat. And what I do, if you can see, I kind of do the whole on and off method with the spray can. When I get to a certain end, I stop, press it on, stop. This gives it more of a precision control over where you want the spray to go, instead of just going hog wild and holding the nozzle down and just going ape shit over it. So yeah, that's my technique in the home stretch, and I'll put about 4 or 5 coats on it, and then I'll flip it over. I'll put a couple more coats on the other side, and I do that just so if I do nick it or bump it up against something, it doesn't go all the way down to the black PLA. So it'll still look good, and plus it'll give it a nice bonding surface for the neon green that I'm going to put on it. Because the more white you can get it, the more the more bright you can get it, the more neon is going to come out. So yeah, it'll make that just pop out, the neon just over the top. So as you can see with my truck and my wheel loader, that it just makes it look really, really nice. So all right, once again, I got a few more minutes here before people come in here. So alrighty, just want to give you guys a quick peek. Until the next time.